adventure, go to IKEA. Matt, are you familiar with the old books, the Choose Your Own Adventure books?
Oh, yeah.
Okay. So for those of you unfamiliar with the Choose Your Own Adventure books, each page you read a page or two, and at the bottom it actually gives you a choice as to what you want to happen next in the adventure. If you want this to happen, turn to page 64. If you want that to happen, turn to page 5. That kind of a thing. Well, in our improv Choose Your Own Adventure, you two are going to head off to IKEA. And throughout the scene, I'm going to pause. I'm going to ask our jesters off stage what they think should happen next in the scene. And at which point, you'll have two options to vote for. You are going to clap, cheer, hoot, and holler which of those two choices Matt and Jamie have to endure. Let's go to IKEA. Action.
Excuse me, you're being very loud.
Oh.
I live here. This is my room.
Well, it is a room. If a room is something that only has 2 walls, but this is a store, madam, and this is just a display.
What? They're displaying my room? That seems like it's breaking some sort of privacy law.
Well, there is some law being broken.
Yeah, I thought so.
Yes, but see, the thing, have you really not noticed that people come by every once in a while and the women look very excited and the men look very tired?
Yes, it's very cute. You know, living in a human zoo, it can be difficult, but I enjoy it.
Ah, yes, I think I see the disconnect now.
All right, pause. Let's see, Brian, what do you think should happen next?
I think he should find out that there have been a plethora of vagabonds living throughout IKEA.
All right.
All the different rooms.
All right, very good. Or Chris, what do you think?
She starts reading him the privacy law she was talking about verbatim, but it's clearly just the instructions for putting together a dresser.
So audience, you get to choose which of those these two have to endure. Round of applause. How many of you think that there should be other vagabonds hanging out there? How many of you want the privacy policy instructions? That's what you gotta do. Good luck. Continue.
You know, I feel like you're not really respecting what I'm saying.
That is accurate.
Let me get out the privacy policy. Here it is. Klein Schmilke. Schwein Blackstock in Stift Freikostober. Which means, don't come in my room when I'm taking my 3:30 nap. So you're clearly in violation.
I would refute you, but...
Clivenstock.
Clivenstock. I don't know enough about that language to refute you. But madam, if you look on the back, there is a picture of a dresser unassembled. I'm pretty sure these are instructions to put together a 4-drawer chest.
What?
Yeah.
My world's falling apart right now.
It was never really fully formed.
All right, pause. Before we know what Jamie's response to all of this is, Travis, what's going to happen next?
Jamie calls the store manager to get clarification on where she is allowed to sleep.
Or Vikas.
Jamie decides that she has broken her own privacy laws and realizes she's the judge and jury in this IKEA as well and punishes herself.
All right. So, ladies and gentlemen, 2 options. We call over the manager, or she is judge and jury. How many of you want the store manager to come over? How many of you want her to judge and jury execute herself? So it looks like we got the manager coming in soon. Let's continue.
You know, maybe I should call my zookeeper. Hello? Hello?
A minute?
Oh, there.
Yes, sir. Why is there a woman living in that living room? Okay, so she apparently thinks it's like a human zoo situation, kind of like that one guy 3 months ago. Do you remember him? Yeah. Vikas was his name.
Yes.
Yes, no, it's very much like that, and she says that the privacy...
Listen, Clayton, she needs to get out of here, all right? She's got squatter's rights right now, but you need to get her out of here.
The water's not working.
It's your job, buddy. If she doesn't go, it's your job.
But
Yes, sir.
It's the rules of IKEA.
thank you. He's
Have a good
so
one.
nice. You know, every day he brings in my Swedish meatballs at 12.
That's why the stains?
Yes. You know,
Great. No, that's great. That's
there's a
great.
great assortment of bedding that I can change it into every day, though, if I so desire.
Yeah.
All right, pause. Let's see what Matt does now. Who's got one? Chris, what do you think? How should Matt handle all of this?
Matt's able to kick her out on a technicality because she had a batch of lingonberry sauce that she was holding onto and it went bad.
The lingonberry?
Yeah, it's an IKEA thing.
Okay. All right, Travis?
When Matt tries to physically remove her, Jamie tases him.
Well, I know what this audience wants to see. Clap if you want that Londonberry. Who wants to see Jamie tase Matt?
Okay, well, I can't afford to lose this job, so I'm sorry, but you have to go. You have to go now. Come on.
Wait, let me get my spatula.
I
It's
believe
just a meaningless spatula from the bottom floor of this IKEA store. Take me away, sir.
But the spatula...
Oh, I peed a little.
You're fired, buddy.